What's up? Site called Site123. Bring my mic over here. Alright, now, here it is. Click start here. After you click start here, you can start a free website. Alright, click start here. It's completely free to get started. So you can get on to start your website. Called Site123. We just wait for it to load. And ask you what type of website do you want. You want an online store, a blog. I already have a website. Go ahead with them. It's free. Just log in. Now here are the two plans. This plan here, free, $0 a month, 500 megabyte storage, 1 gigabyte family, subdomain. You got premium for $10 $10.80 a month. Free domain. Connect your domain in e-commerce. Those are the packages. Choose which one is best for you. You log in. The dashboard looks something like this. Very simple, very basic. Drag and drop. You want to edit your website. I was already creating a website. It's a sample website that I was making. I was making a travel website, travel affiliate website, and basically you got pages here, you got design here, settings here. You can connect your domain. You can preview it. You can go see the domain, best travel fly, that's the domain I want. That's the domain. You can preview it. And you just click publish. Or you go down here and click upgrade. If you want to get that domain or any domain you want. That's what it is. That's site123.com. And alright. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, can you give it a thumbs up? Subscribe.